All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about the retirement issue in auto repair. So the other day on Facebook, Mario posted that since he got into auto repair 10 years ago, one of his concerns is always retirement. Hence why he did YouTube for supplemental income and, passive income. He also has some back problems, but it got me thinking, and that's why we're doing this video. It's a problem in auto repair. Almost nobody offers any sort of retirement plans for their employees. Fact. The shop I'm in doesn't currently offer any sort of retirement plan. No 401k. And my boss is exploring that, but as of right now, still nothing here. Not a big concern for me, but some of the other guys, it might be advantageous for them to have a 401k or similar investment strategy. Now, first thing we got to talk about is, personal responsibility. And that is, and I've done a video on it, I will link it in the description, but the thing about personal finance is you have to be responsible. That means living below your means, not above them. Now, I know a lot of people will go, well, my boss just doesn't pay me enough. Well, that may be true. That may not be true. But the fact of the matter is there's a phenomenon, and I don't know the technical name for it off the top of my head. Should have researched it, but I didn't. Whereas as your income increases, so does your spending habits. Basically, as your income rises in your career, so does your income level spending. Meaning, you get a big fat raise, you go out and spend it. You go buy a nicer truck, a nicer car, in this industry, a nicer toolbox, etc. And it is a huge problem for not just technicians. This isn't a technician-only problem. This is a people issue. So it's really important in your life that you live below your means, have an emergency fund for, emergencies, and you do some sort of retirement planning. Now, I would recommend, even if your shop does offer a 401k, that you go out and seek financial advice from people that do that, preferably people that don't charge per transaction, fees. You want to meet with a financial planner that is in your best interest, not, their best interest. And you want to plan for long-term growth of your retirement plan, not fast, quick. My father-in-law, rest his soul, can attest to that because he invested a buttload of money in tech and the tech bubble burst and he lost, let's just say, a really lot of money. Now, this was, before I actually knew him. That's a long time ago. But anyway, it's real important when you're doing investments that you have a strategy that is not exceedingly risky or exceedingly, timid. That's where a financial advisor comes into it, because I am not one of those. Go seek your own advisor. And really, I don't recommend taking financial advice from a YouTuber. But I'm telling you to, save money, so at least listen to that. Now, the program that most businesses offer to their employees is a 401k, pre-tax income. You put it in away. Hopefully, the business matches. Some match to a certain percent, some match, some don't match, some match a little bit, etc. But there's, putting money away for retirement is always a good thing. So this is something that I think shops should offer. It's not something that it should be in everybody's benefit package, whether you take it or not. I think this is something that should be in every shop's benefit package. The times are changing. We've got to attract people that, want to come to work for our shops, and our benefit package And if we want to attract that top talent, we got to pay really well and we have to offer good benefits. Now, this shop does offer really good benefits. As my boss likes to tell me how much he spends on my benefits. It's a lot. But anyway, I view it as part of my income, so I understand why he's telling me about it. That's the point. But you have to understand that, shops nowadays, if you want to attract employees, you have to be better than everybody else to attract them. One of the ways is to help them get ready for retirement. It's not a hard thing to do. Now, you want to go with a good program, and that can be a little hard to find a good program for smaller businesses in general, but I think it's something that shops should look into. Look into taking care of their employees long term. So you have to understand something. This business is hard on people. Regardless of how you get paid, it's still hard on you. You're still lifting heavy things. You're still sticking your arms in odd ways. You're still doing things that, are detrimental to our bodies. So our time in the shop is definitely finite. So we need to prepare for retirement, be ready for it. So I just wanted to, explain that this is something that shops should be looking into offering their employees. It is an important part of your employee's life. Is if you care about them, you want to take care of them for as long as you can, even past when they're working for you. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.